Hello friends. Glowing star, today we are going under the sea. Spouting whale, let's meet some amazing sea animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's a dolphin. Dolphins love to jump and play. Can you say dolphin? Look at the fish. Tropical fish, they swim fast in the sea. Say fish. Here comes a crab. Crab snap with his claws. Can you say crab? Here's a shark. Shark, don't be scared, it's smiling at you. Say shark. Here's a shark. Shark, don't be scared, it's smiling at you. Say shark. Look at the starfish. Star, it looks like a star in the sea. Say starfish. Here comes a turtle. Turtle, it swims slowly with its shell. Say turtle. Wow, we saw so many sea animals today. Dolphin, fish, crab, octopus, shark, starfish, and turtle. Wave, great job, friends. Keep learning and see you next time.